Hello everyone. Some clients try to know how many tips for they have to follow to do the maintenance for this HR 2-25, the soil of soil interlocking brick machine for the automatic one. So after you receive your machine, what you have to do before you use, which is very important. So firstly, you have to fill this tank is the hydraulic oil tank. So you have to fill the hydraulic oil from this mouth. Yeah, it's a little tight. Well, to open this mouth and try to fill the hydraulic oil inside. So the model of the hydraulic oil should be number 64. Number 64. Okay. So how many liters you have to fill? Normally you have to buy 60 liters. It's about 70 kilograms. 70 kilograms of the hydraulic oil have to be filled inside the hydraulic tank. And maybe if you don't, if you can't measure how many liters you have filled in, and you will follow this meter, so like 80%, 80% from maybe just like here, will be okay if the hydraulic oil filled inside here. Yeah. And how many times you have to exchange the hydraulic oil? Normally half year. If you think the environment of your production is very clear, so maybe 1 year you can exchange your hydraulic oil one time. But if you think the environment is very dirty and sometimes is soil too much, so you can change your hydraulic oil to be the new one half year one time. And after you receive your machine, if your power is a diesel engine instead of the electric motor, like here is a small tank for the diesel engine, so you have to open this mouth and try to fill the diesel engine, right? And also there's one filter, the filter to protect some, to prevent the dirt, away diesel engine. So you can fill the tank to be full, to be full. And also normally before we deliver out our machine, we have already filled, here is the engine oil, right? You have to fill the engine oil to smooth the diesel engine. Normally we have already fill inside the engine oil. And also if you plan to exchange the new oil, so you have to remember, the engine oil have to be filled to be here, up to be here. Okay, that's all. And some buyers ask me, how much the capacity of the pump, the hydraulic oil pump we take use. Like this pump, we take use the flowing, the stroke flowing, the hydraulic oil flowing is 250 liters per minute. This pump, 250 liters per minute. And like the hydraulic cylinder, this one is the normal one. This particular model of the machine is the normal one. So the cylinder, hydraulic cylinder, a diameter, the outer tier is 100 millimeter. So the cylinder, the piston is 50 millimeter. The diameter, the diameter is 50. So the stroke length is 200 millimeter or 250. Yeah, that's all. And sometimes you after you finish the production, you have to use the tool to clean out the soil from the mold, right? Yeah. Every time, maybe after the whole day production, You have to check whether the soil or the clay is clicked inside, clicked onto the mold. You have to clean out. Yes, that's all. That's all. Hmm?